Hey, what's going on, miners? Today, we're going to be talking about Vast.AI and profitability. Let's get into it.
As a crypto miner, you know you want your equipment to be high quality. Proper cable management is part of your mining rig, and the Veteran Miner has you covered. The Veteran Miner cables are created with the best materials to ensure they are of the highest quality. Our cables are made of 16 gauge tin copper, ensuring another layer of protection from oxidation and corrosion. We support our products with a 100% guarantee. Visit our website at www.theveteranminer.com and get the best cables for your mining setup.
Everybody knows that I did a Vast.AI video and I had to redo it again. And this is, I think, day 4 or 5. And as you can see right here, I have somebody renting my rig or machine, whatever you want to call it, right? And I don't know exactly when it started because I just checked it at some random point in the day, so it could have started earlier. I'm just not sure. But this does, so it does have a symbol for either D, I, or X. D is for on demand, and I is for uninterruptible, and either X is for unrented, right? So right now it is on demand right now for this, and it even says it says do not shut down, restart, or use your machine. You have an active client. Uptime is critical. Yay, appreciate it. Whoever's using the rig, man, congrats. So let's figure this out, man. It's saying that I'm gonna make about 85 cents a day, and this number is going up. So I don't know if that's just like based on how long they've been on the rig so far, maybe. I don't know. So far, it says I'm generating about 85 cents a day because I think I charged for my bandwidth too a little bit. So that was kind of nice. So we're getting 85 cents a day. Let's go to hashrate.no, and I want to see what a 3060 would get me. And just not from a profitability standpoint, but like from like profits. I want to see how much is it generating in one day on the best coin it can mine. Like how much is it bringing in? Is it bringing in a quarter? 40 cents? What's it doing? Let's see. Let's go to hashrate.no, guys. Hashrate.no. We're looking for the 3060, right? We're at the 3060 top revenue, right? Revenue. And that's not profit. That's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about revenue, right? Because we could figure out profits later, right? I need to put a watt meter on that thing anyways to see how much it's actually using. I forgot to do that. That's my fault. So I'll do another 30 days after this 30 days when the machine goes down for a maintenance cycle that I've scheduled. And then I'll put a watt meter on it and I'm going to reset it. So that way it's going to calculate the total number of kilowatt hours, regardless if it's idle or if it's being like used. It'll just calculate all that for me. So we're making 26 cents. That's what that says right there. And it says the best is Dynex right now. Obviously, because Dynex is on a pump right now, right? Dynex is pumping. People are making money. You know, everybody's making like 10 cents off every card. So looking good, right? So we're only making 26 cents. I'm making 85 cents. That's like double and a half the money right there for one GPU. So, and this is for lower end GPUs like the 4090s and stuff like that. Those guys charge like ridiculous amounts of money for their hardware. So they make lots more, but it also costs them lots more to obviously build the 4090 rig, right, compared to a 13060, right, on, in a Dell, precision tower. You know what I mean? So they spent way more money than I did. So I'm okay with that. But man, dude, legit, we're making 85 cents a day. We're making double and a half what we usually make mining. That's legit. So I just wanted to kind of feel for comparison. So far, I'm still going to be showing everybody. I'll be doing Twitter posts like each day if I got a client or not or whatever, and maybe the client drops off in a couple of days or whatever. So it'd be really interesting to see where this goes and how long this, I don't know if it'll say, like I'll have to watch this to see when it drops off. Now just imagine though if you had a full rig of these things. If you had a full rig, so you're at 85 cents times 8 times 30 days if you actually use it all 30 days. I mean, it's like $200 a rig. Now that's revenue, people. That's not profits, so don't get all crazy on me, right? You would still probably, you know what I mean? I don't, it's going to vary because, you know, everybody's electric rate and all this other stuff and internet costs and all this other stuff plays into it, right? Let's just say you walked out $100 clean. You know what I mean? You're not going to make that from here. You know what I mean? You won't make that from a full rig. You're making a dime at 10 cents. Not even a dime, 9 cents. So 8 would only get you 72 cents profit a day. So you're still making 50% more money. I mean, you're making way more than that. So this could be the future, guys. You know what I mean? Who knows? It's interesting. It's like uncharted waters. Maybe some people will start to maybe get into Vast, right? Maybe people will start branching their farms out, and maybe half their farms will be on like AI marketplaces like this, right? Like Flux Proof of Useful Work or Vast.AI, or I'm not really too familiar with all of them yet, but I know there's a few other ones that exist out there as well. Like I know Render has stuff and things like that. So really, really cool to see this, because now we can tap into another marketplace, right? Where people can extend their portfolios. And this is another good, the reason that this is good is because, look, guys, this could be key because if you have all your stuff in server cases, you guys could go over to AI services. Like, let's say the bear market hits, profits are like negative or crap. You just come over here to Vast AI and start doing some AI computing, man. And boom, you're back in the green. So this could help us miners through the lowly bear markets. This could be our saving grace right here. This could get everybody making money again. So just a thought. All right, guys, this is Monica giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.